Coordinates are the two numbers that describe the location of a point on the coordinate plane, also known as an ordered pair. The origin is the point of the intersection of the axis and the y-axis located at the 0, 0 on a coordinate plane. So if you look at this, that's this part. This is the origin, this is the x-axis, and this is the y-axis, okay? Okay, and we just talked about that. So the x-axis is the horizontal line of the coordinate plane containing the origin. The y-axis is the vertical line of the coordinate plane containing the origin. And the axes are more than one axis, okay? Coordinate plane is a grid formed by two perpendicular axes, x and y. So you take this one and you put them together and it makes one. As where they intersect, that is the origin. Ordered pair is the two numbers that describe the location of the point on the coordinate plane, also known as the coordinates. X and y coordinates. X is the first number and y is the second number. So you have the 1 and the 2. So 1 and the 2 are the ordered pair. That's x and y. X is this one right here. So 1, this is 1, and y is 2. So from 1, I go up 1, 2. Right here is the point for the location. Origin is 0, y is the vertical, and x is the horizontal. The relationship between ordered pairs and its location. So if you could take 5 and 4. 5 is x and 4 is y. These are both coordinates and they both tell where the point is located on a system. An ordered pair is the location of a plotted point using a pair of numbers. X is 1 and y is 2. Okay, and then we're just going to say it one more time. Y-axis is the vertical, up and down. 0 is the origin, and x-axis is horizontal, it goes across. And if you want to put it in order, x is first, then y, and of course you have your 0 is your origin.